4 things you have to stop doing immediately. Imagine you are reading a book or watching a series. If you ever feel like giving up, just remember. I bet this isn't the first time you've seen these motivational videos. As you can see, they are getting millions of views without showing their faces. In today's video, I will show step-by-step how to create this kind of videos. But remember, the quality depends on the time spent editing. Today, I will show how to create videos in less than 5 minutes with only 2 free tools. But if you want me to show you advanced editing, leave a comment below so that I upload more videos about this topic. So the 2 free tools will be ChatGPT and Flicky. I will leave the link on the comment below. Once in the famous ChatGPT, you will copy the prompt that I will leave on the description so that it is easier for you. This will be a motivational quote about personal growth. It will have around 50 words and it will be simple to read. As this is just a tutorial, I don't mind that the quotes aren't original, but I encourage you to search for interesting quotes in Google. You will find a lot. And remember, the better the quotes are, the more audience you will get. But let's get the help from ChatGPT. Now that we have a quote, you can get as many as you want. Just tell Chat to create more for you. Send me 15 more like this. And as you can see, it is very useful and fast. I couldn't think that many myself, ha ha ha. What about you? Are you currently inspired? Oh, that quotes are too short? Let's tell Chat to make them longer so that the video doesn't last 5 seconds, haha. Our video will last from 15 seconds to 30 seconds. I think that is a good duration for this kind of videos. Don't forget to like the video if you are enjoying and prepare popcorns for the result. And finally, we have it. I will take this quote for example. I don't mind the content, I just want to show you how to create the video. Go to Flicky, link on the description, and choose a plan to start. You have free plan to try the features, but I'm currently using standard plan, which is more useful for continuous uploads. It also provides better quality and AI voices. If you can't decide the plan, here it is a chart explaining each feature in an easy way. Okay, now let's create a new file, which I will name Motivational Video, but that it is not important at all. Once in, let's go to Setting to change the ratio to Portrait. That is the famous 9:16 from YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. And change the gaps between scenes to 0.3 or even 0.2 seconds too. Now let's copy our quote from ChatGPT and paste it there. Alright, but this is too long for only one scene. The video would be so boring that no one would see it. So let's add new scenes and crop the text into shorter phrases. I will tell you how to do this. But before, let's change the voiceover and find an engaging and interesting voice that catches the attention of the audience. As you can see, there are hundreds of voices. Some of them we can't use because I don't have premium version, but at least standard has a lot.
Video content. Flicky helps you create audio and video content using Lifeline.
Flicky helps you create audio and video.
After some minutes trying the voices, I found some ultra-realistic voices that were really good.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
So I applied this voice to all the voiceovers. Now that we got the voice, it is time to create new scenes. So I will be copying and separating segments of words in order to create multiple scenes. This can be a bit boring, but it will make our video look more engaging and professional. So this is the process you should follow to obtain the best result. Alright, that would be. As you can see, the phrases are shorter, but we should delete the commas and dots so that they do not appear in the captions. Now it is time to choose the layouts. As we saw in the previews videos, these accounts use dark and cinematic backgrounds, often in the night. So Flicky has an own videos library. This allows you to find videos very fast. However, you can find these videos in pixels or pixabay. So the thing is to find one layout for each scene. Try not to be repetitive. Here you can see some keywords I use to find each layout. However, you may find better background videos with other keywords. Alright, now we got all the layout. Next step is to adjust the subtitles. Flicky offers a very useful tool to add this captions very easy. But before, let's reduce the time between scene to 0.1. As we saw in the videos, these accounts use white captions with no background. We will also display the text word by word. That is more engaging. So let's set the text display to the middle and choose word by word option. Also, the size looks great and large. Text color is white and delete the background like this. You can choose black color for the shadow as well. Another important aspect is the text font. Flicky offers some free fonts so you can choose whichever you like. After looking for some of them, I found this one, which is very nice for motivational videos.
Success, like a complex puzzle, is formed by fitting together the pieces of courage, determination, and resilience. Beginnings, middles, and ends all contribute, illustrating that achievements are the result of unwavering commitment to your dreams.
Alright, as we can see, it is not bad, but we have to adjust some other aspects. To start with, I will change the duration of the last scene so that it does not end that fast. You will see. 4 seconds for this layout is great.
Unwavering commitment to your dreams.
Alright, this is very nice, but what about music? We need music that motivates us. You have to know that if you are uploading your video to Instagram or YouTube, it shouldn't get copyright issues. In fact, you have your music library there, so you can use any music. Otherwise, if you need no copyright music, just search for it in YouTube. I will not teach how to download it, hee. But I was looking for some engaging music and I really found some masterpieces. So maybe spending some time looking for good music is not a bad idea. Who knows? But if you can, use music with copyright because it is more popular. Here I will use some random music from Flicky's library, just because it is a tutorial. You have plenty of them, but if you want to upload your own music, go to the next page and upload it. This one sounds very well. Just make some little adjustments to the volume and that would be, get ready for the final result.
Success, like a complex puzzle, is formed by fitting together the pieces of courage, determination, and resilience. Beginnings, middles, and ends all contribute, illustrating that achievements are the result of unwavering commitment to your dreams.
Like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon!